That's only for Revenant.
Yeah, we need to get a
people here?
Revenant. It'll be better. Can you get on my drone?
Okay.
Can you get on?
Yeah.
Hello, Sheila.
Let me on.
Oh, they've never seen a
Let me
girl
on.
like me.
Go, 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 go.
Where are they?
In that building, in that
Okay!
It's my party, and you can cry if you like. Enemy taken down.
Ulting, get out of the way.
Okay.
No way, that just worked!
I got two?
Backing out of my drone.
Bro, I got two people off that!
Oh, I killed the last one, I killed the last one.
It's okay. Oh, there's an empty purple shield here. Bro, that was ridiculous.
No way. I'm clipping that, that's a clip for the ages.
Let's go.
I can't clip it, I'll just remind me after.
Oh my god, dude.